Gently push back the proximal nail fold. Remove tissue and debris from the nail plate. Remove the free edge using a 180 grit emerald file. Lightly etch and remove the shine from the nail plate using a 180 grit emerald file. Remove the filing dust using a clean, dry nail wipe. Apply dehydrate to the natural nail to cleanse, remove moisture, and balance the pH of the nail plate. Choose the proper tip size to fit securely from nail groove to nail groove. Choose a size larger if unsure. Cut down the well of the tip and pre-blend using a 180 grit emerald file. Sparingly apply an IBD 5-second nail glue to the contact point of the tip. Rock the tip onto the free edge of the nail plate. Press to the nail to eliminate air pockets. Use tip cutters to cut the tip to the desired length. Gently remove the shine from the entire tip surface, thinning the tip if desired, using a 180 grit emerald file. Blend the tip seam to the natural nail plate. Remove the filing dust using a clean, dry nail wipe. Wipe the brush on the neck of the bottle to remove excess powerbond. Sparingly apply 1 coat of powerbond to the entire natural nail surface and allow to dry. Proceed with enhancement application. Use Dip Sculpt Powder and Grip Monomer to apply 1 ball of clear acrylic in the center of the nail plate. Work the ball by pressing the product over the nail plate, leaving a small gap around the perimeter. Use your choice of Dip Sculpt color powder and monomer to apply 1 ball of acrylic in the center of the nail. Work the ball by pressing the product over the entire nail, applying a second ball if necessary. Cap the entire nail from cuticle area to free edge with clear powder, building in the apex and structure. Once the nail is in the molding stage, before the acrylic is completely set, use your thumbnails to gently mold a C-curve into the entire length of the nail body. File and shape the nails and finish with your choice of finishing products or buff to a high shine. Moisturize the skin surrounding the nail by applying lavender cuticle oil.